Good morning, boys. Welcome back to class with Miss Alexis. Today, we will continue with literacy where you will learn a new sound. Let's get right into it, boys. I say the sound mm, 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 mm. Now you say the sound mm, mm, mm. At the beginning of these words, listen for the sound mm, mm, mm. A monkey, 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 monkey played in the mud, mud, mud. He made a mess, mess, mess. Oh no, said his mother, mother, mother. At the end of these words, listen for the sound mm, mm, mm. What sound? Mm, mm, mm. I throw with my arm. I fish with a worm. Worm, worm. I see cows on the farm. Farm, farm. I sleep and dream. Dream, dream. By now, boys, I am sure you know what the sound for today is. Can you tell me what's the sound for today, boys? Very good. The sound for today is mm. The sound for today is mm. Let's read some words that begin with the sound mm. Let's get ready, boys. This is a letter that says mm. Mm. First we have monkey. Everybody say monkey. Monkey. Then we have milk. 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 Now we have moon. 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 Next we have mouse. 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 Now we have mirror. 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 And now we have map. 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 We have map. Everybody say map. Next, we have melon. 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 And now we have mango. 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 Now we have matchbox. 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 And now we have mask. Mask. Let's go over the words that begin with the sound mm. We have milk. We had monkey. We have moon. We have mouse. Then we have mirror, map, melon, mango, matchbox, and finally we have mask. Can you think of some other words that begin with the sound mm? You will let me know those words in your next video. To end our lesson, boys, we will sing the song for the sound mmm.
The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children.
I look forward to seeing your videos where you tell me some other words that begin with the sound mmm.
Remember, boys, stay in tune. See you soon.